Hello my dear student. Today we shall learn about, with the help of an activity, we are going to learn about fluid pressure and atmospheric pressure. Okay, I have filled 3 bottles uh, of water and I have pierced over here with the help of a small nail. The nails I have used in all the bottles, these all are of same sized, but you can feel that at different height I have pierced with the nails. Okay, I hope you are observing it carefully. So one more bottle is there. Here also one nail I have used to make a hole inside this one. Okay, or it is known as piercing. Okay, all bottles are having water. So let's see what happened over here. If we talk about fluid pressure, what you feel if I am going to remove that nail one by one from here. Let's I am removing nail of that bottle. Okay, nail of that bottle is removed, that I have removed the nail from this one. Small pin I have used over here. So but still you can see that no water is leaking out. Why it is not leaking out? Because this one is airtight. This is airtight, cap is airtight. Okay, so no atmospheric pressure is exerting on that bottle. No atmospheric pressure is exerting on that fluid, you can say. Okay, as soon as atmospheric pressure will be there, that liquid will start flow from that hole over here. Okay, let's see. Let me loosen that cap. मैं अभी थोड़ा खोलता हूँ इसको, कैप को. Let's see what will happen. As soon as I have loosened out, you can see that some liquid start flowing from here. Okay, so that means some air has been entered through that cap, and atmospheric pressure is there on that liquid. That's why the liquid start flowing from the hole made from here. As soon as it is airtight, once again after some time, the no liquid will flow. Okay, it will stop flowing. Okay, so the upper one, whenever as soon as I loosen that cap, the liquid start flowing from here. So here it was the role of atmospheric pressure. Okay, but now we will observe that at different heights. For example, there is a hole at different height. Let me pierce it once again where I have made a hole. Now different bottles are there. They are at the same level, at the edge of that step I have used. This is also here, but you can see that this nail is at this level, this level is here, this level is here. Now we shall open all the caps. Okay, let me open all the caps. Okay, let me open. I have just opened all the caps. As soon as all the caps are removed from the bottles, still little bit liquid start flowing from here, because maybe some air gap is there. Okay, now just we are going to remove these nails permanently from here, and we have to observe that where the liquid pressure will be more or fluid pressure will be more. Okay, and why it will be, I will tell you later. So let me remove that nail. Okay, let me put on the caps first, so that after removing nail, or I can remove the nail, then you need to observe these pressures. Okay, I have covered it, so I have removed. Okay, now let's see, observe. you can see that it is at the maximum height, means about bottom. So you can see that liquid is falling over here. With the help of this one, it is coming up to here only, but it has just stopped from here. The middle one just have stopped, and it is just falling up to here. So why it is happening, my dear student? I have taught you one liquid column concept in our previous video, that according to liquid column concept, pressure will be equal to H rho g, where H was the height of liquid column. So when we are measuring from here to here, this is the liquid column height. So it is maximum. Here it is only up to here it was. So it is smallest. It was more than this one but less than this one. That's why it is still coming out. But you can see the final point is here for that bottle. Is it visible to you? Okay, here, and this one is, the green one is here. That means more the height, more the liquid column, more will be the fluid pressure. That we have taught you earlier. Now few application I am going to show you regarding that atmospheric pressure. You can feel that as soon as that's lid part is covered with hand, this liquid will stop flowing, because now no atmospheric pressure is exerted on that fluid. Hence it will not come out. It will not come out. Okay, my dear student, as soon as I have removed my my hand, it will start flowing once again. It will start flowing once again. You can feel that earlier that water was falling up to here, but now slowly it is decreasing up to here. Sooner let it be working on, it will come here, because liquid column is decreasing. Okay, because liquid column is decreasing as soon as it is flowing from the bottle. You can see that here also it has been stopped. Okay, it was at near about the neck of that bottle, so it has already stopped. It is also covered with some points, so no more air is entering in that one, so it has stopped. So let it work, and we shall observe that now it has reached up to here. Soon after, as soon as we are continuing our video, it will be decreased, because liquid column is decreasing. So with decrease in liquid column, the fluid pressure will keep on decreasing, or more the liquid column, the pressure will be more. Okay, that was today's video is about fluid pressure and atmospheric pressure. Atmospheric pressure, we have shown you that as soon as it is covered, this fluid or this liquid will stop flowing from here as soon as it is covered. Why it is happening? Because no atmospheric pressure is acting on the fluid inside the bottle. Okay, next we are having an activity. A rubber shaker is with me. Let me have. This is the rubber shaker. I have removed it from the dropper, which is often used for the children to give droplets. Okay, so you can see that little bit space is there. Okay, my dear student, what is our next step? Let's observe it. What is our next step? So let me have this bottle. I have airtight it. Okay, so that I'm also covering that hole with that nail. What will happen next? I'm going to use that rubber shaker. How it is going to work? Okay, see, it will stick to the surface of that bottle without any glue stick. Okay, see, now when I left, it is not, actually it is falling down, but as soon as I will press it, air inside that shaker will be removed. So outside air will work on that. It will help in sticking to the bottle. Okay, so I have checked. Keep observing. some experiments always need some practice. Okay, it's falling now because permanent sticking is not there, because it is not airtight with that surface. As soon as it is airtight with that surface, it will permanently stick to it, and from outside only air pressure or atmospheric pressure will be acting on that. Let's try once again. So now it will be for more longer time, because I have removed all the air from inside, and now I have squeezed all the air from inside, so it is little bit stick to it. Now it is going to fall about, because some air has been filled from surrounding, because it was not airtight. Okay, my dear student, so this is known as rubber sucker. And we have shown the application of atmospheric pressure. In our homes often we are having some hangers of the which work on that rubber sucker or pressure concept, so they easily stick in our washroom wherever we want to stick them. Okay, as a hanger. Okay, let's see one more activity. Let's see. This is the glass filled with water. This is the glass filled with water. See what happened. As soon as it is tilted or poured down, all the liquid falls down. Okay, now see what will happen when we are using that glass. It should filled thoroughly up to that edges of the glass. So now we are going to use a paper card, some piece of paper I am having over here, and I need to cover it. Okay, let's cover it carefully. Okay, we can press so that air from the surrounding can be removed. So whenever we have just tilted it one, the water will not fall down. What is happening, that atmospheric pressure is exerted on this surface. So if we will remove that paper card from here, the water will not fall down for a long. Let me remove. It is transparent, so student can think that there is no liquid. As soon as I will remove, some water will pour down. Okay, but it takes some time. So these are a few activities related to atmospheric pressure and fluid pressure I have taught you, and role of liquid column I have shown you here. Means how much pressure will be exerted by the fluid, it will depends upon height. At different height we have marked with the nails, pointed nails. Then we have seen that the nail which was at the near about at the bottom, for example here, when we were comparing that, here it was at the approximately at the bottom, so more fluid pressure was taking place. Okay, in that case the nail was actually here. I can show you. Still it is having hole, but that fluid is not falling down because I have airtight, or liquid column have just reached below that point. Okay, so then no liquid will come out from that one. Okay, my dear student, so you can compare the heights of the two, and we have shown with the tail of the falling or flowing liquid initially that the pressure was more here from that green bottle, because it was having more liquid column, or height of the liquid column was more here. Okay student, thank you for watching. I hope you are going to like it. If any query, you can ask on our Zoom classes. Okay, and keep doing work, be healthy, just love your work or have interest in that, because things that we learn with interest we never forget. Okay, thank you for watching. Thank you, my dear student.